Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
New ways to promote Telegram channel 2024. Promoting your channel on Telegram is a comprehensive and multifaceted process that requires a careful approach and investment of both money and time. Effective promotion includes creating high-quality content, engaging with the audience, building partnerships, and utilizing advertising tools. Your channel's audience will come and go, and more often than not, channels lose more subscribers than they gain. This is a consistent rule, and there's a little that can be done about it. Organic subscriber growth doesn't make up for those leaving the channel. So increasing the number of subscribed users should be an ongoing effort, especially for monetizable channels. Telegram have added new features to promote your channels. Recommended channels. The search interface has a new channels tab that shows the channels you follow. The tab also has a list of recommended channels with similar topics where you can discover new content creators. When viewing posts from a channel, you can pull up to jump to the next unread channel in your list. After hopping through all your channels, you can keep scrolling to browse recommended channels. Channel recommendations are based only on the general topic of channels you already subscribe to, so any predominance of particular types of vegetables or fruit is entirely on you. Pin your channel. Your settings now have a My Profile section that allows you to view your channel as it appears to other users and quickly edit or change any information. You can now pin up to 3 stories to the top of your profile page to showcase your achievements or make sure nobody misses that cat in a suit you met in an elevator. Telegram have also added little icons that show the privacy settings of your posted stories so you can quickly see if they need adjustments. If you own a channel, you can now add or pin it to your profile page. This places a detailed preview of the latest posts above your bio, sending visitors to your personal project, online portfolio, or company blog in one tap. Another new update for Telegram channels. Channel admins now have an extra way to manage reactions. Selecting a maximum number of reaction types each post can have to keep things tidy. This allows channels to frequently change their available reactions, like adding something relevant for a holiday without a bunch of Easter bunnies popping up on a past post. How to understand your target audience in your Telegram channel. To determine the characteristics of your audience, you can use these 3 main methods. Through content, observe which content generates the most reactions and shares, and avoid posting content that doesn't receive engagement. Through competitors, analyze what your competitors post and how that content resonates with their audience. Directly through statistics. In channels, you can view audience statistics such as the male-to-female ratio or the percentage of premium subscribers. It's evident that channels with a financially capable audience that primarily uses Telegram will have a higher percentage of premium subscriptions compared to channels offering free product promotions. Why use Telegram channels? You can use channels to stay in touch with your readers, voters, and fans. For some real-life examples, check out at Bloomberg or join the official @Telegram channel covering their latest updates. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Tarantula SEO Spider. Unlock the deepest SEO secrets and opportunities. The superior AI-powered SEO Spider for better audits, higher SERP rankings, and more website traffic. Audit your site, improve your rankings. Audit competitors, grab their strategies. The best SEO Spider for website owners, professional SEOs, and agencies. Better performance for individual businesses or agencies. Bloggers, improve your blog's ranking. Companies, remove issues that lower your search rank. Marketers, boost your sales with free SEO traffic. Agencies, superior and faster audits for your clients. SEOs, the insights you need to go to number 1. Not just that, complete SEO site audit. The only SEO editor or crawler that's AI enabled. Find all the problems that stop a site from ranking. Find your keywords using AI. Rewrite any page using AI. Get a search engine's perspective of your site. Fix any site for better rankings with issue correction. Detects on-page optimization issues. Connects with Google's APIs to pull even more data. Generate sitemaps and robots.txt with one click. Site visualizer. Advanced control and features. included on-page SEO analyzer tool, advanced crawler system, high speed, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Tarantula SEO Spider now. Just go to tarantulaseo.in. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.